Today we're making Danish butter cookies. Yes, the same ones that we grew up with at Christmas time. They're buttery and extremely easy to make, so let's get started. Start with 1 cup of softened butter. That's about 2 sticks of butter or 8 ounces. Add half a cup of sugar and beat this together until it's light and fluffy. This should take about a minute. Next, add 1 egg and about a teaspoon of vanilla extract or vanilla paste. Mix for another minute until everything is fully combined. And don't forget to scrape down the sides. Now once it's nice and fluffy, it's time to add flour. We're going to add about 2 cups of flour and about a tablespoon of milk. Mix on low speed just until the dough starts to come together. I like to switch to a spatula. You have to be careful not to overmix. You want to mix it together just until the dough is smooth. Transfer the dough into a cookie press or a piping bag fitted with a large star tip. I'm going to use a piping bag. I find this to be easier. Line your baking sheet pan with parchment paper or a silicone mat. Pipe into small circles about 1 inch apart. These will hold their shape in the oven. Now this is optional, but I like to sprinkle a little bit of that sparkling sugar onto the cookies. And this recipe makes about 3 dozen cookies depending on the size of your cookies. Place these into the oven and bake at 350 degrees for about 14 minutes or just until the edges start turning brown. And allow to cool before digging in. If you're a fan of Danish butter cookies, you're gonna love this homemade version. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.